Hi guys! Good morning world, good morning Philippines. Alaikum Pakistan. Welcome back to my channel again. So for today's video, we're gonna unboxing a gift I received from my husband on my birthday. So this gift, it's just like amazing gift for me, and it's very useful for me because I just started my new YouTube channel last month. And thank you so much. First, I'm gonna say thank you so much for all my subscribers, for all my supporters who subscribe me every day, because this time for just 1 month I already reached more than 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much guys. I hope you every time support me and until last. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you all. My words thank you is not enough, I know, but only I can say thank you so much, and thank you so much to Almighty. Hi guys! Good morning world. Assalamualaikum Pakistan. For today's vlog, I'm gonna unboxing my gift. I received my gift from my husband yesterday because yesterday is my birthday. So he just gave me this gift for my small, because I am a small YouTuber. I just started. So he just gave me this as a gift. We're gonna open this. So this is like tripod 360A, I don't know, 3-way head, bolt-in level, 3-second aluminum legs, and quick lever lock. So let's see how it looks like. So let's see. I'm just excited. Yay! This is the one. And there it is. Ayan, this is it guys. Wow! Thank you so much to my love. Thank you. And Sarah trying to see, Zara saying, let me try. Come this side, take a side, please. And I don't know how to use this one, so we're gonna check later on, because but it looks good, huh? It's perfect. Wow, it's nice. Thank you so much. And it's just like adjustable, I guess. You can make it more up. Yeah. And Zara is busy. She's saying that she wants to try. So, and now I have also this one. They also give me this one as a gift. So I received a gift. And also he gave me a surprise birthday celebration. So I'm gonna upload also that one, so you just check it out guys. So no, so become incredible. So this is the ring light, LED 10 ring field light. This is 3 colors, can be adjusted, okay? So looks good. We're gonna see inside. Ta-da! Wow! It's really good! the holder for the mobile holder, and this one. Yoo-hoo! Now I have my things to start my vlog. So thank you so much to my husband for supporting me every time, and I hope you will support me until last. Thank you so much. And I have this one. Oh, it's little bit heavy, guys. This is the one. I think this is the mobile holder or camera holder, something like that. And we can put here in the tripod also. So it's just together. So now it's good. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.